Barnstable Fire Commercial Central Station alarm at the Home Depot, 65 Independence Drive. Stand by for a retone for a high hazard location. Barnstable Station 1, full department recall for a commercial central station alarm coming in as General Fire Zone 1, the Home Depot, 65 Independence, fire alarm at 219.
Yeah, the alarm's actually in the Appliance showroom, separate space building we're investigating.
Okay, alarm is in the Appliance showroom you're investigating.
Yeah, we have a haze and odor in the Appliance showroom. Kidding.
They receive you have a haze and odor in the Appliance showroom you're investigating.
Yeah, it's electrical in nature. Stop me as duty officer, and if we don't get anybody in for check station coverage, if nobody comes in, give me another engine, please.
Okay, requesting a duty officer to the scene, checking for coverage, requesting an additional engine. We have Hyannis 822 will be signing on shortly.
All right, why don't you go ahead and tone this out as a structure fire?
Okay, receive. Retoning the call for a structure. Barnstable Station 1, full department recall. Attention West Barnstable for the ladder and the line response engine. Possible structure fire. Reported haze and electrical odor at Home Depot, 65 Independence. Home Depot, 65 Independence, 238.
Fire alarm, 210's on location, 210 will have command. Barnstable Fire, Hyannis 822's on.
Hyannis engine 822 responding, Home Depot.
822 from command, you get on location, you can take the hydrant. It's on the A side of Home Depot. 822 has it.
230374.
230.
Home Depot, Independence Drive. FD is off with a structure fire.
206, why don't you have a ladder to the roof? 206 has it. 822 on location. Command, it seems to be that last HVAC unit. Yeah, received. I've killed the power to this small building. There's a small amount of smoke coming out of the louvered vent above that. Bring a tick over here.
Barnstable Fire, West Barnstable 297, Bomber 4.
West Barnstable ladder 297 on with 4.
Hyannis, if you want to come down to this corner right over here, please. 822 from command. Go ahead. Hey, come on to this side. Fire alarm from command.
Answering command.
Yeah, all units are going to be committed here. I got ladder 206 going to be a ladder in the roof. We have an HVAC unit. That looks like he's the cause of it. 822 is going to be stretching the line.
Receive all units committed to the scene. Ladder 206 is laddering the roof. 822 is stretching a line. HVAC is the cause of the smoke.
Command, ladder 206, ladder to the roof, hooked up to the hydrant, but we are dry at the moment. Barnstable Fire, West Barnstable 292 is on.
292 on.
We have 297. 132, which way would you like us to enter from? Command ladder 297 on attic. Where would you like us?
Yeah, you can come in, stay to the outside, come all the way around to the east side of this small building in the middle of the parking lot. I'm going to have your crew make entry.
Please see 297 has that.
Command from 206. Command. Yeah, it was a small fire on a motor. We're extinguishing now. Received.
Fire alarm ladder 297 on location.
297 on location.
Barnstable ladder, keep coming all the way around. Fire alarm from command.
Answering command.
822 and 206's crews found that the HVAC motor is burnt up. West Barnstable is going to make an entry to check for extension. We should be out there with resources.
Okay, a small fire found in the motor of an HVAC. Should be all set on location. West Barnstable is going to handle the extensions.
Fire alarm 292 on location.
292 on location.
Command from 206 rooftop. Go ahead. No visible signs of extension up here, and tech check's good. 206, you can secure from the roof. 206, secured from the roof. Fire alarm from command.
Answering command.
Confirmed there's a motor that burned up in the unit. It pushed some smoke through the building. No extension. 822 can start backing up their line. 206 is going to be backing up. Units will be available in about 15.
Okay, confirmed motor burnt up in the unit, pushed smoke into the building. No extensions. Picking up, tied up about 15 minutes.
Fire alarm from command.
Answering command.
822 is packing up. Once they have, they're going to be clear with our thing. Fossil fire is 822, clear and turning.
Hyannis engine 822, clear with our thanks.